Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to manage multiple branches in Zoho Books organizations. Setting up and managing branches properly helps us track income, expenses, and performance separately for each location, all within one centralized system. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we go to the Settings. To find Settings, just go to the upper right corner of the page and click the gear button. We simply click this. Then, click Locations under Organizations. Just click this. Once we are in the Location section, we can add locations. Here, we choose if the location is a business location or a warehouse location. We can also upload a logo for the location. For example, this is your logo. Then, enter the name of the location. Next, fill in the address and city. You can add the primary contacts too. If you see an error, it is usually about the transaction series option. Set the default transaction series, then click Save. Now, we have one location added. We can manage the location here, like creating a location called Head Office. We can check. We can add more locations if needed. We can view the transaction series here and set preferences. Here, we can see sales returns, vendor payments, and view all transactions for each location. We can associate locations and manage all branches from this section. This is how we manage multiple branches in Zoho Books. Remember to review branch settings, user permissions, and financial reports regularly to keep each location organized and running smoothly.